we're simplifying analytics for operational use cases to make it truly work for whatever you're doing. We have totally different customers, and users have near zero data literacy. So Fusion is a side-by-side add-on to Qlik to get insight straight away without having to be a data analyst. Typical data sets into Fusion are so incredibly varied. We have an internal hub to help support operational analytics across a major pediatric hospital. Another organisation we've got as a customer is a major German motor manufacturer that is sharing data for fleet management.
There are big benefits, not just to suppliers, but to also our partners that implement Fusion. A leading pediatric hospital saw an increase in usage of Qlik and operational analytics of 58% in the first year. And the reason that has happened is instead of it being the data team that would look at Qlik and then disseminate the information, they apply Fusion and the rest of the hospital could just go to a website to access all of those operational analytics.
Without having to be trained, you're able to deploy a software solution where your end user can pick it up and run with it.
Fusion is a looking glass into Qlik. If you are a nurse in a hospital, you probably haven't got the time to learn complex business analytics. However, you've got the time to look at a web page with information to do your job that day. Bed management, patient management, drug management, all of those kinds of things. So it solves the problem of delivering operational analytics to a much wider cohort of users in any given business.
The beauty of the relationship between Qlik and Fusion is that Qlik provides the analytics platform and horsepower, and Fusion provides the operational insights at the point of need.
There's a huge emphasis on the move to cloud, and what we're finding in the market is that Fusion and its simplified operational analytics is exactly the lever that Qlik clients need in order to make that leap to the cloud.
We're doing some stuff with generative AI as well. Once you have a portal, you can add another one of our products called Questionnaire Builder, where you can start to grab data back from your clients at scale. Like for example, ESG or risk data or voice of supplier or voice of customer questionnaire and survey data. We're using generative AI to try and get the most analytic insight from what is typically quite dry questionnaire response data. You can get an awful lot more value and insight from using generative AI in that scenario. We're overlaying a heat map to see where different roles go, and then if you've got your objects in the wrong place, you can reassemble them in a better way to make the user experience far more effective. It's about simplifying analytics for operational use cases and then presenting it in a way that isn't scary, so people can do their job a little bit better tomorrow, and that's what it's about.